What's up, you guys? This is K-Rolf in here, and welcome back to another Transform 5 video today. Like I said, I know you guys can tell by the thumbnail. I know we keep doing these derailments. I know that. I don't know, cause like I don't know. I'm just so addicted to doing these derailments. Yeah, like I'm just so addicted to doing them. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this one move first. Hold on, wait. Okay. Oh, so yeah, like I said, we're doing high school derailment today. I am recording this at 11:36 right now. So what I'm about to do is I'm actually gonna upload this like early. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna upload it around like, as you guys are watching this, you might, oh my god. As you guys are watching this video, y'all might be watching this probably like during the daytime by now. But I'm gonna upload this around like 4 early in the morning. So yeah. I don't know, here's the because like in order for me to upload like like 3 videos in one day, I have to upload one of them early, like early. So this one I might upload this one like around like 4 maybe. Oh, I really don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this moving. Come on. Yeah, cause like I said, hey, I'm trying to do more. Oh no, dang it! I was probably at the wrong station. Shoot. What is it? Social line. Okay. So I'm gonna go to that other one. That's right. I just love constant rumors in this game. They're just so much fun. Okay, that one just left. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside of this one. And once again, the text is acting crappy again. But see, that's the thing. I don't know why it keeps doing it. But Delta, wait, I'm not sure if it was actually from Delta Games, but I don't know. But in the roadmap, they did say something about like some texture blurriness or something, and they did say that that they are gonna fix something about that in the future. So hopefully, once this game gets an update, hopefully us Xbox One S players won't be able to get that blurry texture looking stuff. Hopefully. Let me see. Okay, is this train on my track? No, I'm on track. I think I'm on track too. Am I? Bro, man, I swear, this thing. Okay, I'm on track too, okay. And I am so happy because it's really quiet in my house right now. It is so quiet in my house. That's why you guys won't be able to hear no "shut up" right now, or no crying, no none of that. Thank God for that, cause like I just don't want to deal with all that. Like, swear I don't. So yes, but I don't know. So yes, like I said, before I start doing more derailments more often, and like I said, I'm gonna start uploading every single day too. Okay, so like starting to let me see. I'm starting today, Saturday. I'm gonna start uploading every single day. Okay, trust me. Trust me. No, trust me. So I might upload 2 videos today. I might upload 3 videos today too. 3 videos today. I said no. What I meant to say was I might upload 2 videos a day and I might upload like 3 videos a day. Okay. Where's Batu? We was about to literally ram right in this train. Oh, we're going fast though. Okay. What? This better be the derailment too, because we're going extremely fast. Here we go with that one too. Whoa! What was that? What? Okay, that was kind of weird, because, like, once I then hit that freaking train, I, like, sway, like, over to the freaking... That was... Okay. I'm not even gonna argue about that one. That was pretty cool. Alright, yeah. Don't worry, there's a glitch for me to do this. I just gotta keep... Whatever. What the heck? Oh, come on. Okay, get out. Oh my goodness. Well, there's one stuck in the tree. Oh my god. Okay. Now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna spawn here and I'm gonna derail a train. I'm gonna see if I can derail a train here. So just gonna be handle collisions in this video and also just regular derailments. So can I spawn this? Oh, okay. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna go on this bridge right here. And we'll go and we'll continue from there. Alright. So come on, get us out. Oh, and also that German route I was able to pronounce, I forgot what it's called. It's a German route on Trace War 2, and I played it like a few days ago. Yeah. It was a German train route in Trains to One, and I figured out what that route name was, and I think I'm saying this wrong, but I think it's Schnellfahrtschicke, or let me see, I think it's Schnellfahrtschicke colon. I think Schnellfahrtschicke colon. I think so. I don't know, but. It's a Trains to World 2 German route, but I'm gonna say it one more time, but I'm pretty sure it's Schnellfahrtschicke colon, I'm assuming. I'm not sure. Okay. So, no, naturally. Oh, okay, yeah, never mind. And also, there's also like a cross here. Where's it at? There's also, where was it at? Yeah, there's also like a cross here, so maybe, we might be doing that today in this video too. But not just German train, but not just the high-speed ones, I'm talking about like Americans, all of that, so, yeah. So just for the title, just for the title of the video, I'm just gonna put derailing trains for the title of the video. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put Trains 105 derailing trains. That's all I'm gonna just put in for the title. Because all kinds of derailments in this video. Head-on collisions, cross-track derailments, all that. So it's gonna be kind of interesting. What are we derailing in? I have no idea. Oh no. Okay, 220, 205 kilometers per hour. We're in the 200 right now. Oh boy. No, we're not derailing. This is like red speed record. Oh my god. Well, not really. I don't know what. Oh, Jesus! Oh! Oh my goodness! Wow! I don't know what just happened there. One of the cars just glitched out. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Let's explore the damage. I'm not sure if you guys seen that, but I'm not sure if you guys seen that, but one of the cars, I think it was this car just glitched to the ground and then it just popped out, and then it just popped out of the ground. Like, jeez, like it glitched for a second. That was weird. The game went slow motion there for a second too. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Could have been better, but jeez. Wow. Okay. What I'm about to do is go to the route map. Why does it gotta make that buzzing noise? Like that. Like, man. Okay. Let's go the opposite way this time. Okay. I don't know why I just keep... See, I don't know why I keep derailing these high-speed trains. I don't know why. They're just so addicting. I don't know why. Like, I mean, wait, I love all kinds of derailments. Okay, I like derailing trains on bridges. Like, I just like all kinds of derailments. Freight train derailments all day. Especially, oh man, freight train derailments are like my most favorite. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. Well, I did freight train derailments like a few months ago on my YouTube channel. On my channel. Yeah, so I did do that like a few months ago. Yeah, so yeah, but that was like the one time thing but that was like the one time video I only done freight train the realm. So that's the second one I'm gonna start doing more because that was like only one time when I done freight train the realm was on. But it was actually freight train the realms on that highway in San Bernardino line, so it wasn't but because I would love to do road trains on like bridges, trains in water. We did the like trains in the water. I've done that before a bunch of times. Whoa, man! I swear, I just love ramming through these derail cars, especially when it comes to freight trains. Because high speed trains. That one's flying. Holy crap! Not sure if you guys seen that, but that one is literally flying. The crashes in this game has really weird. Because when you derail trains in the game, they have some really weird crash physics. It's kind of weird. And the podcast train to is not meant for the train to. Whoa! Kind of smooth. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what just happened. Man, I was kind of hoping that would be a little bit more better. That's alright. Alright, so I'm gonna get out. This time we're going to go to that that track over there. Where's it? Oh man, I wish you could just spawn here. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna spawn to. I guess we're supposed to. I mean, I guess we're just gonna spawn at Central Square and continue from here. Well, the first video for today is Derailments and Trains the World, and also we're going to be previewing Simon from Melvin the Siblings. I'm going to be previewing Simon, and then on Sunday we're doing actually I might do theater today, so it might be 3 videos being uploaded today. But if not, then I'll upload 2. So yeah, 2. So today it is Simon. We're going to be previewing later today. So yeah. Let me see. Let me check the time real quick. It is 11:51. So yeah, it's about to be 12. Or actually, it's about to be midnight. So man, see, when it comes to me recording, I don't know how this time schedule works. Okay, like I really do not know how this time schedule works. So this track over here is where we're going to be doing derailments over here as well. This cross track. So let's see, what kind of trains do we want to cause some destruction with? Let me see. Let's do. I'm gonna get out the Class 360. I keep calling it Class 360. Class 66. Jeez. So I'm going to pull out the Class 66. I haven't made any formations with this. So let's see. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is. No. I'm gonna spawn down this. And I hope this works. It should. I would just walk to the front of it. I hope this works. Because sometimes when we need to rail trains, sometimes we need to rail trains on that cross track. Sometimes it just rams right through it. It just ran right through it, so not even one small little thing is gonna happen. So hopefully that won't happen today, because I saw some videos of people who are running trains on that cross track, and sometimes it just go right through it, but sometimes you just get a bigger crash. So hopefully hopefully that won't be an issue. And also, I want to see if you can derail trains manually. Just not derailing trains on straightaways. I think there has to be a way. Because you can derail trains anywhere you want in the game. It's just that you gotta place a locomotive in front of that train and then just ram through it, and then and you get a crash. But if you don't want it done, then you can just do it the longer way. Just by derailing on a straightaway. But it's just that if you want to derail trains on straightaways in this game, you have to get so much speed, so much speed. I don't know what the right speed is, but you have to get so much speed, and then you got to go on a sharp curve. I don't know, for example, if you want to derail trains on this loop right here, I don't know what the right speed for you to derail trains on this loop here. But let me see, is that even possible for you? I don't know. I think it is, though. I think it is. Yeah. I hope this works. of weird though. I don't know why. Bro, be quiet. Dang. Like every single time I click B. Jeez. It's freaking annoying. I don't know how I didn't derail there. Okay. And also, by the way, the brand new Alvin and Chipmunk livery. I know I keep saying this in a lot of my videos, but it's still on track to come out the 24th of this month. It's still on track to come out the 24th of this month. Okay. Now, the release date of all the early access for the Amtrak livery is coming out. I mean, the early access for it is coming out tomorrow, so I'll see if I can. Okay, here we go. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh! Wait, what? What the heck just happened? I was expecting for the Class 66 to derail when I ram it, but nothing seemed to happen. Huh. Barely anything happened. Interesting. Oh, I have an idea of what I could do with this. Let me get this out here real quick. Cause I don't want this walking away, so let me see. I hope this won't be a pain. Nice, at least the switches are on. Why can I? Oh wait, no. Oh, we gotta do the brace. I think. Yeah, we gotta do the brace. Wait, what happened? The engine just shut off. What? Why did the engine shut off? Okay, hold on. Let me see something. I know how to start the engine up. Let me see. If I click this. Oh wait, it's beeping. It keeps shutting off. That's weird. Odd. It's not seeming to. I can't get the engine on. It keeps shutting off. So I guess we're not. Well, I guess we're leaving this here then. I guess. Huh. I was hoping. That I guess not. Hmm. Ooh. It has an idea. hope I can get this moving too. If it gets okay, here it is. I should be able to get this moving. I should. Oh my god, this texture is so irritating. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on, I can't get this one moving too? If I can't, I might have to end the video here because I can't see the movie. I can't see because, like, oh my god. I'm clicking A. It won't let me select the thing. Let me see. If I turn on the key. No. I like that. That's neat. Okay, let's try moving this then. Come on, this thing is freaking electric. Come on now. I should be able to get this moving just fine. If I can't seem to get these moving, then I might have to end it here. Cause I'm not sure. Come on. Alright, let's see. Oh? Okay. I forgot the train has a safety system. I think it does. Well, you can if you activate it. They changed the horn on this. How interesting. Okay. Oh no, we're going moving backwards or reverse. I don't know. Triangle is. Do we need these on? Hold on. Oh? Wait, what's happening? Okay, okay. I guess we're rolling this backwards, I guess. Oh, wait, what? You need to turn the headlights on. Okay. There we go. Why are we having a wheel slip? Where's your point? What the heck? Come on now. Like, we're actually pushing past the cars and this thing is having a wheel slip? Okay. What does that blue mean? I mean, what does that blue B means? Right there, I don't know what that means. I wonder. Hold on. I've done this before back in Trains to World 2020, where like you can actually derail trains or like derail these types of trains faster if you just uncouple these. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna choose stuff random one. Oh, you just can. Oh, what the heck? If I just do this. Oh. What? It happened before. I don't know why isn't it working. It happened before. I don't know why it ain't working. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. All right, y'all. I'm back. So I'm sorry. I had to do something real quick. Yeah, but so I'm sorry if I really didn't show that much derailments in this video. But anyway, if you guys, oh my god, I can't talk. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel and also turn on post notifications so that way you guys won't miss out on. So that way you guys won't miss out on any train videos I make on the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video, which is us previewing Simon from Alvin and Chipmunks, my Simon livery. That's gonna be, well, obviously, that's coming up in the Alvin and Chipmunk livery pack, our brand new livery pack. So yeah, or the Ribble version of, well, y'all know what I mean. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, bye.